and all my dear audience, and obviously my fellow contestants. This is contestant number 7, Prince Anarpi, and I'm proudly representing Kundali branch. Commencing from my roots, as I belong to Karbi community, which is rich in traditions and culture, so one of my biggest passions is weaving our Karbi traditional attire. I feel it is my duty to continue this beautiful process because if we don't preserve it, it will definitely slowly disappear one day. Tonight, I am showcasing my Karbi traditional attire which I have woven by my own hand. Current name is Kini, Wangkok, Peba, Lekiki, and Nosarli Tiki. One of my biggest dreams is not only to build my career, but also to inspire the youth, especially women, to value their traditions and culture, while stepping forward confidence in the modern society. I believe true beauty is not the way how we look, but the way how we care, how we respect, and how we value our traditions and culture. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my heartfelt thank you for the organizers and those who cooperate with them for giving me this opportunity to be standing tonight in front of you. Thank you so much.
Contestant. Myself, Manay Baby, and I am from Kundali branch. I am 14 years old, and I am your contestant number 8. Thank you.
Hello. Dr.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected judges, and my fellow contestants, and everyone present here. My name is Kirna Tiranti, and I am contestant number 9, and I'm representing from Kundali branch. Today, I'm representing myself with my tradition, which is Peba, Pini, Wangkok, and Lake Hiki and Roy Behu. Thank you, Cardon.